So when might you want to work abs in more of a neutral back position versus a posterior tilt? Let's talk about the different abdominal muscles that we're going to be recruiting, and let's talk about the pluses and minuses for each of those. So when we think about our rectus muscle, our rectus is going to want to posteriorly tilt us. It's going to want to tuck us under and flex. So if you tend to have more of a rectus dominant, meaning you tend to get more of that bread loaf appearance, you have trouble getting your abs to flatten, maybe you have a deeper but more narrow diastasis, then you might want to think about working more in neutral instead of going into a big posterior tilt. So that carries over to things like planks, where you're thinking about tucking. I would think about untucking just a little bit so that you can work more neutral. Now, one great way to work into neutral is to use a towel roll. So you can place a very small, low towel roll, not too high, underneath your low back, and you can press into that towel roll. So now we have that neutral holding posture, but we've got a little bit of that posterior pelvic tilt action, which the transverse abdominals like to work from. And so we're getting kind of the best of both worlds. So give that a try for your crunches and see if it doesn't help you flatten and recruit more TAs to hold that more neutral position, but have something to press into, versus going all the way down to the floor. See if that doesn't make your rectus pop out more. So if you're trying to get more TAs and less rectus, try that towel roll, holding a more of a neutral position, but that little bit of posterior pelvic tilt action pressing into that towel roll. And that can make a big difference for what you're recruiting when you're doing your abdominal work.
If you found that content helpful, make sure to like and leave a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon to receive notifications for any time a new video comes out. If you're a fitness or movement professional, make sure to check out our course offerings that we have. Information about those can be found in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.